In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I am also good, alhamdulillah. Welcome in our online class. It's our science periods. As today is Tuesday, 8 December 2020. It is our science lecture time and our today's topic is using electricity. Chapter number 20. Our today's task is reading and explanation of this chapter. So students, get ready for the reading of this chapter using electricity. Students, before starting the reading, I want to take a short review about this chapter that I want to tell you what we will learn about electricity. We need electricity to use many things. Number 2, electricity can be dangerous. Number 3, we should save electricity. And number 4, we use electricity every day. Students, now I want to share some home appliances which works on electricity. As you can see in this image, here is an electric kettle, washing machine, sandwich maker, oven, refrigerator and juicer blenders. These are all the home appliances which works on electricity. These all needs electricity for working. You all have seen these appliances at your home. So now let's read the chapter using electricity. Okay students, all of you open your science book and open lesson number 20. The name is using electricity. Firstly, you will write the short date at the top of your page, that is 8-12-2020. And firstly, start the reading. As I have told to you about uses of electricity, now I will read and explain for you. As you can see, electricity is the main usage of our daily routine. Now let's read. We use electricity every day. When we flip a switch and light up a dark room, when we wash clothes, when we listen to the radio, we are using electricity. In our daily routine, students, we use electricity as listening the radio, washing the clothes and light up the dark room. We use electricity by flip a switch. Okay students, wires take electricity to the sockets in our home. Then we can use it. This is main electricity. This is the socket, and by the wires we can take electricity at our homes. Electricity is used for washing the clothes, for light up the room, for listening the radio. Is it clear students? A torch also uses electricity. This is a torch. It also uses electricity. How it uses electricity? This electricity comes from batteries. Which electricity used in this torch? It comes from batteries. Inside the batteries are chemicals. You can see this is the picture of a battery. Inside the batteries there is a chemical. The chemical make electricity and electricity lights the torch bulb. These chemicals make the electricity which light the torch bulb. This is also a kind of battery. These are also the kind of batteries. And in the last paragraph, electricity is valuable. We should save electricity. Electricity has many dangers. We have to be very careful while using electricity. How can electricity dangerous for us? Now let's see the safety rules on page number 117. Here on this page, here are some safety rules. We should remember these safety rules while using electricity. Here are some pictures of some safety rules. Dry your hands when using electricity. As you can see in this picture, a boy is touching the button, touching the socket with the wet hand, so it is wrong position. Dry your hands when using electricity. On number 2, never connect wires to a socket without plug. Number 3, do not pull anything into wall socket. Don't use machine that has broken wires. Never put a metal object into an electric machine. And the last one is, don't put too many machines into one socket. If we will not follow these rules, we may feel danger by these carelessness. Okay students, we should follow these safety rules before using electricity. I hope you have understand this chapter. Allah Hafiz. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I'm also good, alhamdulillah. Welcome in our online class. It's our science lecture time. As today is Wednesday, 9th December 2020. Our today's topic is using electricity, chapter number 20. Our today's task is back exercise of given chapter. So get ready for solving back exercise. Okay students, all of you open page number 119. Chapter name is using electricity. Now we are going to do back exercise of this chapter. First of all, you will write CW and the short date, that is 9-12-2020. Exercise number 1 is, when you switch on the things below, do you get movement, heat, sound or light? So here are some letters which shows M for movement, H for heat, S for sound or L for light. So students, here are some appliances. Like first appliances is the fan. When you will switch on the fan, which action did you get from this fan? Movement, heat, sound or light? Obviously we get movement by this fan. So we will write M for movement in this circle. You all of will write M in this circle, M for movement. Second appliances is the lamp. When you will switch on the lamp, which action did you get? Movement, heat, sound or light? Obviously we get light by this lamp. So we will write L for light. You will write here L. On number 3, we have washing machine. Which action did you get when you switch on the washing machine? Obviously we get movement. So we will write M for movement. Number 4 is oven. When you will switch on the oven, which action did you get? Movement, heat, sound or light? So we get sound when we switch on the oven. We will write here S for sound. On the number 5, we have a cooking range. When we will switch on the cooking range, we get heat. We get heat by this oven. So we will write H for heat. And the last one appliances is tape recorder. When we will switch on the tape recorder, we get sound from this tape recorder. So we will write S for sound. Okay students, is it clear? Students, before solving the exercise number 2, I want to share the sources of electricity at our home. We get electricity by the sockets. Here you can see the sockets and switches. By the sockets we get electricity at our homes. Okay students. Students, here you can see an electric kettle. It takes electricity by the socket, as you can see in this picture. And in the next picture, here is a juicer blender. It also takes the electricity by the sockets at our home. And mostly things you gets the electricity by the sockets, as here is an iron. It also gets electricity by the sockets. Some are the appliances gets electricity from the batteries. Now I want to share the different kinds of batteries. Here you can see different kinds of batteries. Some appliances are get electricity by these batteries and cells. Okay students, now come on the page number 119 and we are going to do exercise number 2. Write whether the following things use electricity from battery or through sockets in your home. Students, as I have shared the pictures of the different kinds of batteries and the sockets from which we get electricity at our home. So here are some objects. We will tell that we get electricity for these objects by the battery or the sockets. As number A, part A, torch. We get electricity by torch by the help of a battery. So you will write in the part A, battery, BATTERY, battery. Part B, bulb, B-U-L-B, bulb. We get electricity, bulb get electricity by the sockets. As you have seen the pictures of sockets, so write the spelling of sockets, S-O-C-K-E-T-S, sockets. Part C, iron, I-R-O-N, iron. Iron get electricity by the help of sockets, S-O-C-K-E-T-S, sockets. Part D, toy car. A toy car gets electricity by the battery, B-A-T-T-E-R-Y, battery. As I have shared the different kinds of batteries and cells, so keep it in your mind which objects gets electricity by the battery or the sockets. Part E, car. A car gets electricity by the battery. Again write the spelling of battery, B-A-T-T-E-R-Y, battery. Part F, camera. A camera gets electricity by the help of battery. Part G, computer. Computer gets electricity by the help of sockets, S-O-C-K-E-T-S, sockets. And part H, and the last one is transistor. Transistor is the radio. Radio gets electricity by a battery, B-A-T-T-E-R-Y, battery. Okay students, before solving the exercise number 3, fill in the blanks, I want to share some safety rules. As you can see in this image, here is a child is playing with the wires. So never play with the wires and the plugs. It can be dangerous for us. Okay students, must be careful about using the safety rules. And next one is, don't touch plug with wet hands. As you can see, here is a boy touching the sockets with the wet hands. It is very dangerous. And the next one, always get an adult to plug things in. Always get an adult to plug things in. And the next one is, never put your fingers into a socket in the wall. It is very dangerous if you will put your fingers into the socket of the wall. And the last one is, always remember that electricity can be dangerous. We should not fly the kites near the poles. It will be very dangerous. Okay students? Okay students, now we are going to solve exercise number 3. Fill in the missing words in these safety codes. Students, as I have shared the images of these safety rules, which we will write in these blanks. So first of all, I want to tell you, here is a list. There are the words are play, electricity, wet, fingers, and plug. Okay students? So firstly, as I have told you, never dash with plugs. We should never play with plugs. So we will select the word from this list. Firstly, word is play. So we will write here P-L-A-Y, play. Never play with plugs. As you have seen, the playing with the plugs can be dangerous. Part B, don't touch plug with dash hands. We will select the words from this list. Don't touch plug with the wet hands. So we will write here W-E-T, wet. Part C, always get an adult to dash things in. We will see the list. We will select the word is plug. So we will write here, always get an adult to plug things in, P-L-U-G, plug. Part D, never put your dash into a socket in the wall. We will select the word from this list, never put your fingers. So we will write here fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Part E, and the last one is, remember dash can be dangerous. Keep it in your mind. Which one will be dangerous? Electricity. We will write here the spelling of electricity, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. Okay students, we have completed our exercise 1, 2 and 3, back exercise number 1, 2 and 3. I hope you have better understanding about these 3 exercises. You will learn these exercises at your home by your heart, inshallah. Tomorrow we will answer this question on our notebook and the worksheet of this chapter. Okay students, till then Allah Hafiz.